The name is Jables Jr. I got the power of 1,000 suns with the alien technology. I'm the chosen one.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I got one that I found at Wajimaya in Renton, Washington. It's a noodle kit with sauce by Kikkoman, and it's black pepper. So it calls for beef. I am beefless in north of Seattle. So, yeah. Man, I had this all put back together nice, and then everything fell out the bottom. By the way, it's gluten-free. My wife is of the non-glutinous persuasion these days. So she appreciates that, except for the fact she's not a fan of, like, something that's, like, main flavor profile is black peppers, so that doesn't work. So what you do is you take this here noodle block and you put it, take that thing and put it in there. And that goes for 4 minutes. And now we got this over here. That, you're supposed to put beef in there, but I don't have any beef. I'm beefless, so I'm going to use mung bean sprouts. I guess I could use some mushrooms. That doesn't sound all that appealing to me. I'm not a big fan of the mushroom. But there's that. So that's got to do stuff now, right? Isn't that what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to do things. It's hot. It's a very difficult way to cook. And this is getting a little unruly. Ah, this is doing the sizz. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. So I was saying, you're supposed to do the beef with a tablespoon of oil, and then take the beef out, and then put another tablespoon of oil in, and do some vegetables, put the beef back, put the sauce on, and then spread, and then pour it over the noodle. And I was just thinking, like, yeah. But I'm not of the having of the stuff right now, so I'm interested, I'm curious, and I'm making a mess. So today we are all going to go down to the market, the farmer's market. I think it's funny. The amount of drama surrounding the Kenmore, Washington Farmers Market is just like really something else. Hey Miles, how you doing? Good. Can I say hi to them? Yeah, be careful. This is very hot. No, the nice people are over. You were in the right spot. Go back over here. Yeah, right here. Now they can see you. Hi, nice people. So you got to name the guinea pig yesterday, huh?
Yeah. And it was Beva.
Beva.
Beva's up.
Oh yeah, they're eating and junk.
Hi, Beva.
They're hungry. All right, out. We don't need extra audio right now, but ladies and gentlemen, they will be appearing on the blockbuster episode of the next show and the mukbang. So stay tuned for the next stuff coming up. And so here's our goo. We'll see how this all pans out. The noodle has 25 seconds. It was funny. Add the noodle to a prepared bowl. It's like, okay, bowl, I'm gonna prepare you. I guess that's what you gotta do. It doesn't say anything about how to prepare the bowl. It's like, okay, here's what's gonna happen. All right, this is what's gonna happen to you, bowl. So the noodles are ready. Here, let's move you over here. Maybe like right here. Yeah. Gotta drain the noodle. Oh, come on. Got one in here, don't I? I will need a noodle draining device for the next episode as well. I don't want you to like get too crazy. So we'll drain this. This is gonna kind of look like with the mukbang I'm doing in bed. I'm going to bed. That's the deal. Man. I swear, that's the problem with these kinds of stoves. Not too much fun for me. Here's our sauce. It just says pour it over the noodle. It's got quite a scent to it. And we'll add some more springy onion on top. Like that. So I gotta go take beauty shots. Here, why don't we do this? While I take the beauty shots, I'll let you meet our new friends. You've met them before, but I'll let you spend some more quality time with our new friend. If I can wrangle this thing. There they are. There you go, just a moment. Oh, that's unnecessary noise. All right, ladies and gentlemen, these are ready to go. No. So the one in the foreground, that's Betty. On the back left is Beva. And right between them, that's Myrtle. And on the opposite end is that you can't see, that's Toonie. Here, I'll let you see Toonie. Toonie likes to just kind of do her thing. Hey, Betty. You saying hi to everybody? Here they're all doing their pig things. How you doing in there? Yeah, you don't want anything to do with it. Betty's very irritable right now. You know, when there's a change to the status quo, she's the first one to get all angry. So let's give this a try. I guess I could let it rotate first, but I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm just gonna give it a taste. Is that okay with you? I hope it is. If not, I don't know what to tell you. But here's some noodle and sauce. Rice noodle and sauce. Gluten-free, folks. Black pepper flavor. The noodle's all right. Pretty hard to screw up a rice noodle. But I'm really not getting a black pepperiness. This actually makes me think of jajang. I don't like this. So there you go. I don't like it. The next one you're going to see me do, and I think it's going to be the Christmas episode. I'm going to cook this up. This is Paldo Tumse Jajang Spicy Spicy. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.